This component right here will make your older bike, which usually have a slacker seat tube angle, become steeper. See, it has a lever, and now it's slackened by 6 degrees. I'm back up. This is the AliExpress component version. I might actually be taking the Anomaly one, but this one's like 70 bucks and I just wanted to give it a shot. You'd think 6 degrees is nothing, but when you are seated, it's actually everything. For example, there is this big, rocky, tough climb that we need to go up. Okay. It's like you suddenly got a really steep seat tube and you can pedal with ease. You just don't feel the pressure in the front because of that, and that seemed to change everything. So you will be getting this component. Be careful, this sliding nut kind of is ready to fall off. And this lever points the forward portion of this component. I believe this rubber thing is to prevent any mud and water contamination, which I think is nice. You will get 2 bolts that's essentially going to clamp this onto your dropper post, and you'll get 2 other clamps that will actually go this way, holding the seat rail. Now let's discuss the installation as such. So I've removed the older components from my dropper post. You just remove these 2 bolts and everything comes off. Okay, so you'll just be left with a bare bone dropper. Make sure this hole aligns like so, because the bolt will be going in there. So you're going to place this as such, curved surface that goes into the divot. Now the back portion, you see, I don't know if you can see it, but inside here is where it's going to go through and fit in. Okay, and there's actually a threaded nut in there. Your standard 4mm. So there is a little divot here on this side as well. That's where your seat rails sit. You cannot put it from the top. No matter how hard you try, you cannot. What you need to do, you need to slide from the rear, where there is a lot of opening, onto this channel where these rails will sit. Once it's in, you can just move it back and forth. Take your little clamp and the 2 screws.